The periodic table was discovered by a Russian scientist called Dmitry Mendeleev. Let's talk about the proper definition of what periodic table, which is defined as what the systematic arrangement of what known elements in the order of their what increasing atomic number, such that chemically related elements are brought together. What are the uses of what the periodic table? Uses. Number one uses, it's used to determine the behavior of an element. Number two uses, it is used to determine the trends of what properties along the element for chemist use. So what are atoms? Atoms have so many definitions based on what recent discoveries. But ideally, atoms are defined as the smallest particles of an element which can take part in what chemical reaction. What are elements? Elements are defined as what the building block of matter, and as you all know, matter are all physical parts of the universe that has what mass and also can occupy space. So when two atoms come together, they can either form two things, which are what they can either form elements or they can either form molecules. The differences between them is just that when uniform atoms come together, or you call them what homogeneous atoms. When homogeneous atoms come together, they form elements. But when non-uniform, or you call them heterogeneous, when heterogeneous elements or when heterogeneous atoms come together, they form molecules. We will now understand that molecules are also the building block of what matter, as a result of the coming together of what heterogeneous what atoms. So in summary, two atoms comes together to form elements under the condition of if those two atoms are uniform or alike or what homogeneous. Secondly, two atoms comes together to form a molecule under the condition that those atoms are what not alike, they are heterogeneous, and then they are not what uniform. Then they can form what a molecule. So continue, we'll talk about what the atomic structure review, and also we'll talk about what the energy level review, and also we'll talk about what the relationship between the energy level and what the valence electron. So talking about what the atomic structure. The atomic structure are made up of three basic components, which are what the proton, secondly the electron, and also the neutron. The proton and the neutron makes up what we call the nucleus. They were made to understand that electrons are found residing around the nucleus in a region called electron cloud.